These are going to be the elevators at Universal's Aventura Hotel here in Orlando. This place is pretty new. Oh. Let's see. There we go. Here we got one. And we got Thyssenkrupp with touchscreen buttons. Look at this. It does talk, but you can't really hear it. Going up to 16. Here we go. It does have the grocery beep. We're on 16. Let's go back down to 1. These are pretty cool elevators, although that said, I mean, even as cool as the touchscreen is, I'm willing to bet that eventually they're gonna have to replace it within the next like 10 years or so, because eventually the lights will probably burn out, but this is still cool though. I mean, it's cool design, just not sure how long it will survive in the long term. First floor. Let's go back up to 16. I'm gonna get off here and we're gonna get another car. Six elevators, and we're gonna get this one. One. First floor. Hold the door.
Use the keypad to enter the destination floor.
Yeah, cool elevators. Very nice new Thyssenkrupp install.
Use the keypad to enter the destination floor.
Again, really nice. Gonna watch the button on the touchscreen go out. Look at that. And we're gonna get off here. Get that indicator. There we go, it's focused on it. But anyway, there it goes. That's it.